Alrighty, you guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Euro-style Sallie modern stool. If you look at this thing, it is just as black as it looks. It's really cool, you know, modern style. Basically, the reason we got these is we kind of just spread them out all over the studio. You know, we have a lot of like vintage looking stuff in the studio. So it's very, very 70s theme in here. And so we wanted, you know, things to kind of like, you know, modernize it, and things that could be the same and fit each room, kind of put each room together. So we ended up getting these. We wanted these to be black too, to fit a lot of the equipment, everything, all the music equipment and gear and stuff in here is black. And so we wanted to be able to kind of, you know, match that up as well and keep it black. I think they do come in white versions as well, but yeah, it's kind of what we wanted to get. It looks great in any room. That's like the best part about these. They kind of have a really nice kind of hourglass figure. I'll tip it on its side so you can kind of see the shape of it better. So they have a really nice hourglass figure, and because they're such a plain black, they fit really nicely into, yeah, pretty much any style home. Although I think they're kind of best for more modern looks, I guess you could say. But any room, they come fully assembled when you get them, which is cool. Very, very simple piece of furniture. They are made out of an ABS plastic, and so it's, you know, it almost feels like it's kind of rubberized. ABS plastic is great. It's really, really durable, very, very long lasting. It's much heavier. It's also much sturdier. You know, it's something that even if you were to put this outside, it's something that you can keep outside pretty much all year round. You know, it's definitely got weight to it, so it's not going to like blow over or anything while you're using it, which is really nice. Especially if you live in an area with lots of weather too. These are totally weatherproof, waterproof. We spilled a million things on it, and it's been, you know, totally fine. Never had an issue. You can use this as seating as well as use it as a table, like kind of like a little side table. We mostly use it as side tables. In here, it does have a really, really nice flat surface across. Almost, you know, and again, the ABS plastic is nice because it grips a little bit too. So things sit on there really nicely. But yeah, you can also totally use these as chairs. Sometimes when we have a lot of people in the studio and we're recording, we don't always have available chairs for everybody. And so the cool thing about having these is they actually make for really, really great recording chairs. Reason being is, first of all, they have a 250-pound capacity, which is pretty solid for something like this, considering like the size and build. But also, you know, it's got no arms or anything on it too, so it basically functions as a kind of stool as well. And that being said, it is extremely lightweight. And this is something that you could easily move from room to room, really bring it anywhere, you know, and haul it around very, very easily. So especially if you're having like events or something like that, these are great because, you know, you can bring a bunch of them and it's not a total hassle. This is because they are hollow. So you can see, I'll show you all the bottom. And this is a cap, and this comes off. So the bottom cap is not off. Anyway, these top and bottom caps, they totally come off. So you could also, I guess, store things inside of there if you really want. We actually, in the bottom, have a little sandbag that keeps it just held down even a little bit more. So you can do that. You can fill these with sandbags, put things in it, use them as storage as well, which is really, really nice. They're easy to clean because they're black and kind of like matte surfaces. So in terms of like cleaning them off, they're very, very simple. And lastly, they are about, I think, 17 inches high each. So, you know, fairly small, depending on how big you are. Like, I'm about 5'9", and this, yeah, goes up to just below, like, my knee. So it's a really, really nice size. Nice, small, compact. Yeah, I would definitely recommend checking these out if you're looking for some simple and versatile, modern kind of furniture for whatever room. Again, it's the Euro-style Sallie modern stool, and check it out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.